Let me teach you how to use these to get this. Hi everybody, Carolyn Braden here. If you haven't subscribed to me, subscribe now because according to my YouTube analytics, most of you are not subscribers. I posted a video using these curlers several years ago, and it was a short video and it keeps doing really well on YouTube, so I thought I would do a longer video to show you how I use this. So these are traditional, just sponge rollers, things that I used in the 1980s to roll my hair, and they're very effective, and all of the views of my shorts video have proven that people are still using these, and this is how I do it. If you don't do it the way I do it, that's fine. You can develop your own style for all of the things that you do for your hair over the years. If you do it differently or you have a different way of rolling your hair with these, please tell me in the comments, because not only do I read the comments, but other people read the comments too, and we can help each other out because not everybody has the same type of hair. I have 40-ish age hair, and this is my natural texture. It's damp right now, which is how you should start with this process. You should roll your hair in damp, not wet. If you do wet, it's going to take days to dry, especially if your hair is really like kind of thick like mine. And so here we go. We're going to get right into it. Something that you do, start with your damp hair, and I like Braid Balm. Braid Balm is something that I like to use when I braid my hair and I want to take it out and have beautiful waves. You just add a little bit like this to your palm. Smells very tropical, and just add it. This will give your hair a little bit more grip, and I believe it will also help your hair keep the curls in it. So I'm gonna it's like a mousse. You could also use mousse too if you have mousse, or just use nothing. You know, everybody, again, hair types are different, so just do that. Difficult for me to start thinking about how I'm going to talk for a long period of time. I don't like talking this much. So to get started, just start with a section of hair. Choose the curler that you want to start with. I think for smaller sections in the front, I'm going to start with like this medium size roller. My set has like 3 different sizes. Actually 4 different sizes. It has a yellow one too. So I'm just going to start with the green one. I've got some of that Braid Balm on, and the way I do it is I start like this and I roll kind of backwards, and then I just roll it to my head like so, and then I clip it close like that. And if you want it a little bit tighter, you can roll it a little bit tighter to your head. However you do it is up to you. I know some of your all's frustrations out there. I've read through comments and I've responded to them, and people say, you know, they can't get them to lay flat, and I'm telling you, it's you know, something that you can definitely practice doing. And I just rolled mine all the way in, and let's see if this one lays flat for me. That's decent. That's decent. I don't really care what they look like while they're in my hair. I just care that they're going to do the job correctly. And this is how you roll your hair with sponge rollers. It's just a little bit of Braid Balm, and then take a section of hair and spread that Braid Balm or mousse or nothing through your hair. And I'm going to select one of the pink ones this time, and I'm just going to put it on the curler. I've got really long hair, so your technique may differ just simply because of the length of your hair. And I roll it on, roll my hair towards my head like so. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And there's my dog, and I'm going to snap it on. And that one stays just fine. No! All right, let's do this. I'm going to roll it in again and snap it shut like that. And ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Of course, if you have a lot of curlers, that's probably going to be your best bet, is to use a lot of curlers. If you have a lot of hair, the less amount of hair you put into the curler, of course it's going to probably curl a little bit better. You're going to have like tighter curls if you put less hair in them. And I'm just snapping it shut. And I'm just going to keep doing this. Wrap the hair around it. Roll it towards my head. Fun times on a Sunday. And snap the curler shut. Ah, yes, good. And I want you to just keep doing this. And remember, if you get frustrated, you can vent in my comment section. I'll listen to you vent and, you know, say, Carolyn, you're not teaching me how to do this right. Well, I'm teaching you to do it the way I do it. So I'm not an authority on sponge rollers. No, I don't like that one. Snap shut. Oh, yes. Direction is according to hair type. When you get to these little side pieces here, I just roll them like this around the curler and roll towards my head. Rolling down has been doing better for me, and it's making these stay in better. And then clip them like that. Oh, that's a good one. Let's keep going. For the back, it can get a little tricky. You just kind of have to really watch what you're doing, and your arms may get tired, and that's okay. If you have a friend that'll roll your back for you, that would be nice. I'm gonna wrap it around it at a downward motion just because, again, this is working better for me. And down towards my head and snap it closed. Oh, yes. And just keep doing this until you cover your entire head with curlers. I don't really love sleeping in them, so I'm going to show you a different way to dry them using a dryer bonnet. In my video for the shorter version of this tutorial, I had my mother-in-law's really cool bonnet dryer, but that is about 1,000 miles away right now. I'm in Florida, they're in Indiana, so I got a this really cool thing, and I'll show you in a minute. As you're rolling, of course, you know, the amount of hair that you put into each roller will determine the size of your curl. So I've been rolling with mostly some of the more like smaller rollers because I want very defined curls. If you just want a lot of volume, then you want to use the larger curler, which would be the pink one in my set. But if you want more curls, then you want to use some of the smaller curlers. Now I'm in the groove. Can sing the song, the Madonna song. Get into the groove, boy, you got to prove your curlers for me. I don't know. If they come unsnapped, just snap them back on. And then let's go, curler, you're the last one. You can do it. Make the rest of the curlers proud. Ah, did it. Yay! So for drying, you can leave them in all day, all night, sleep on them, wake up in the morning and unroll your hair as long as they're dry, or you can get a dryer bonnet. I have this dryer bonnet here that is a bonnet that fits over your hair, and it's got like a nice little chin strap here, and then it's got this long thing here, and you put your hair dryer on the end. So let's do that. Curlers like so. Put all my curlers in that bonnet. Pull it tight with a little drawstring. You can do that, and then you can, I can't really hear very well, so I hope y'all can hear me out there. And I'm gonna put it like this, strap it on just loosely like this. And there. Now you want to take a blow dryer. You got to plug in the blow dryer first. Then you can take that end of your blow dryer and put it into this dryer attachment like so. And then it's got like a little strap I guess you could use to strap it around the blow dryer. That would work. And now we're going to turn it on. And it blow dries your curls, your hair better for you. We're gonna let that, I'm gonna turn it down a bit so it's not so hot. And let that blow dryer go. Ooh, that's a little warm. I can feel it. I'm turning the heat down to very, very low. And I've got it on a high heat setting. And let's this thing blow dry my curls. Okay, so it has been on for a little bit over an hour and everything feels pretty dry. If you start to test and see that they're not dry, you can take your hair dryer and put it on a low or no heat setting and go like this. And just hold it to a curler so it will dry it. So let's see, let's do a test. Which one should I pull out first? Maybe one on the side here. And to take them out of your hair, you just unclip them and, oh, wow, that's a good one. So I think we're safe to take them all out now. With this part of the curler tutorial, make sure you're gentle with your hair and don't just rip them out. If you get one stuck, just be really gentle with it so it doesn't rip your hair. Just unroll them. And I've got some that get like a little bit tangled, but I'm just trying to be really, really gentle so I don't rip my hair out. I know how tempting that is. Holy cow. My hair, if you remember, was down to here, and look where it is. It's like I got chin length hair now. Wow. Unroll. And you can see like the larger curler produced a little bit larger of a curl, and whereas the blue curler here produced a smaller, tighter curl. But they'll all come together in the end. I really think that that braid balm really helped. Oh yes, that's a good one. My grandma would have said I look like Shirley Temple. It's giving me a very, very Shirley Temple vibe. Nice. Nice. As they say, nice. It's nice. And we got the last one. Let's see. Ah, yes. Looking good. Now, how am I going to style this? Now for styling options. I mean, if you want to just leave them like this, you totally can. But I'm going to kind of just use my fingers just to kind of pick apart the curls just a little bit and come up with a style that's maybe kind of old glam, old Hollywood. These are definitely an effective curler. You can like flip your hair over. I like to do that just to kind of like give yourself a little bit of volume at your roots. That's what this will kind of do for me here. I just picked the curls out with my fingers, just kind of swooped it to the side, and I mean, this is fine. I like it. And I know as the day goes on, the curls will start to fall, kind of, because that's just how my hair is. And I also am currently in Southwest Florida where it's humid. So curl your hair however you like. Tell me in the comments if this worked for you. Spray it with some hairspray and go about your day in a fabulous way. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.